All right, good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to walk you through a way that we can model and record a two-digit addition. So we're going to look at adding two-digit numbers and really how we're going to handle when the ones add up to more than 9. We talked about it in the last lesson that we're going to have to regroup or take 10 ones and move them into the tens column. So I've already built the number 37 up here with my base 10 blocks, and now I'm going to build 26 right below it. Whoops, not like that. Sorry. Let me grab my pointer, and let's build 26. So that would be two tens. I'll drag those right over here. And 6 ones, and I kind of want you to watch me do it because one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to really take my time and make sure my ones are organized. If you organize the ones into 2 columns of 5, it makes the counting a lot easier and you're less likely to make just a silly mistake. So I fill in those 5 and then one more makes 6. So I'm going to add 37 with 26. We're going to combine these two. So the first part is 7 plus 6. And what I really want to do is I want to look, and we did it in the last lesson, I want to move a few blocks to see if I can make a 10. And because the way I've organized my ones, you can see right here that I've just got 3 spots that if I take 3 ones from the 26 and move them up to join with the 7, now I have 10. And I can take those 10 and trade them in literally for a 10. Now let me take, whoa, sorry about that again. Now let me take these so I don't double count them because we've already traded these in for a 10. I'm going to delete them and get them right out of the way. Okay? Delete them and get them right out of the way. So now we have 3 ones left, 3 ones, and I moved another 10 over into the tens column, and that's what this box is for. So 7 plus 6, when I added them together, I had enough ones to make a 10, and I've still got 3 ones left over. So I put the 3 ones here, and then I put the 10 that we regrouped, I add that into the box. And now I can just count my tens up, and there are 6 of them. So now I know that 37 plus 26 is 63. Now let's do another one, but this time I'm going to draw instead of using the base 10 blocks because that's what you're going to do. So let me make my pencil just a teeny bit thicker so when I draw, you can really see it. So I'm going to start by drawing 46. So 4 tens. I try, when I'm drawing, I try to make my tens the same height. So it makes it easy when I'm counting things. It doesn't get confusing. And then 6 ones over here. 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, I'm careful about keeping my ones as organized as I can. So there's our 46. And now let's put the 28 up here too. 2 tens and 8 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then the first thing I want to do is I want to look and see, can I move some ones? I've got a set of 6 ones from 46 and 8 ones from 28. Can I move a couple of them to make another 10? And it looks like there's 2 spots right here that would fill in for a 10. So if I just take these 2 right here and pull them down, now I've got another 10. Okay, so I'm going to actually draw that 10 in right over here. And before I go any further, I am going to cross off these 10s so I don't double count them. When I'm regrouping, when I'm drawing these, I want to make sure I don't double count. So I took the 6 I pushed a couple of them down with the 8 to make a 10, and I drew that 10 right here. So now I've got 4 ones left. And now I have 7. I'm going to put the 110 right there because that's the 10 that I have. And I've got 7 10s. 4 1s and 7 10s. And I got that extra 10, remember, because I regrouped. I took 10 1s and traded them in. And that's what I'm putting up here. That shows that I had that extra 10. So there's 4 10s in the 46, 2 10s in the 28, and then that extra 10 that I traded in. So 46 plus 28 is 70.